We just wanted to shine, now we up on our grind. Couldn't go out to parties, a nigga ain't had the time. We just wanted some money, now we getting the hoes. Screaming out gang, gang, getting a party with my bros. It's gang, 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 I do it with my woes. Couldn't saw you to shine, and we out here on our grind. Couldn't go out to parties, too busy chasing them dimes. Now that I'm getting paper, I can flex on all these haters. Hold up, let me talk to you.
What's going on, you guys? This your boy, That Kid Polo. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, subscribe, and click that bell. Make sure you turn on all post notifications so that way you don't miss any video. Cause the grind definitely don't stop. As you can see, your boys bundle up. Cause as you see in my other video, y'all seen that it snow. Y'all, it is thick out here. We got the kids out here, y'all. I'm currently recording on my phone because I don't know what I did with my camera last night. But yeah. I'm gonna get y'all look. See, she already starts throwing snow at me already. And can't even, it don't even know how to make a snowball right.
I think my gloves is.
Now look at her.
Look around.
Y'all, I don't know if I'm bringing the electric bike out of here and this stuff.
No, you want to do it yesterday?
I don't know about that, y'all. Cause I might body slam. You better watch out for that.
Oh, God.
Yeah, it's thick, y'all.
Hey, mommy.
Oh.
I did something.
Look at Prince.
Oh, yeah. Somebody better not get on this road. Look under there.
To my ice.
Look. Yep. There go slime.
Let me try.
Look back there, y'all. Hold on, let me flip the y'all, look back there. That look like Winter Wonderland.
Mommy, look.
Get out there, PJ.
I'm the phone.
No, you ain't.
Oh, never mind. It's off. Never mind. I'm good.
Cause that's water. That's water breaking, right, mommy?
Yeah. Oh, so we about to go ahead and get some.
We have the road onto ourselves, right, mommy?
Y'all look back there.
Mommy.
Like, I bet you can't. No, I bet you ain't nobody on the road.
Well, it actually makes the beetle look big.
Don't be talking about no beetle.
PJ, look.
Hey, beetle can get through here.
Look.
And can't.
And will.
And won't.
Tahoe can't.
Can.
And won't.
And will.
Right there, Pete.
Toot can't.
And so can't.
Y'all get away from that. Didn't she just tell y'all? Y'all hard. Y'all. So I found my camera, y'all. It was in the one on the bike. I thought I got the bike yesterday, but I didn't. But where my phone at? Let me go ahead and put this on back, y'all. So as y'all can see, my current state, y'all. I think no higher than the bike. Hopefully I don't get nothing messed up, y'all. I'm gonna do the video for y'all. Yeah. Hold on, y'all. Be right back. I'm out, y'all. Whoa. Get my trash, y'all. Oh. I don't think I should have turned it up. Snow. I'll just go get it. PJ! Babe! Nala! I'm trying to show them, y'all. Get mommy. Huh? No, it ain't. I'm about to get me a couple of shots right there where the trees at, and I'm about to put it up. I'm about to come in. Whoa! I try to get my foot pads keep going up. y'all enjoy this now. Alright, y'all. Let's get back. My daggone feet cold now. I'm doing this for y'all now. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Whoa. Y'all might want this right in front of the heater. Pull it over a little bit. And that's gonna conclude this video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'm out of here like last year. Peace.